things have changed a little round here. In accordance with Government, Glass and Glazing Federation recommendations, we have taken this time to carefully assess and evolve our working code of conduct, installation procedures and risk assessments to produce our new, safe working guide. We understand that to return to work, we must fully engage with this current new normal and do everything within our power as a business to protect both our staff and clients. We've also created our online digital appointment service for those that wish to communicate with our specialists from the comfort of their own home. We are very excited to welcome you back at a careful distance and begin helping you plan your future installations. For full details on our new safe working guide, please visit our website at bryantandcairns.co.uk.